Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all. Okay, guys. Yesterday we discussed few terms regarding ERP, isn't it? So in that, the key points what we have discussed in the last class, I would like to list here. Okay, the definition for ERP we have discussed, and what is business process and what is a business function, and that has been discussed. And after discussing these technical terms of ERP, you were aware that what is the difference between business process, business function. Am I right? Okay, guys. As per our schedule, in the last class I told you that we are going to discuss three topics in this first unit, isn't it? So what are the three topics we are going to discuss here is functional areas and business processes, functional areas and business process of a very small business, functional area information system. Okay, so these three topics are going to be covered in this session. Okay, so first topic of this first unit of ERP is functional areas and business processes. Functional areas and business processes. Okay, to understand ERP, we must first understand how a business works. Let's begin by looking at business areas of operations. Okay, these areas called functional areas of operations or broad categories of business activities. Okay, once again I will repeat you. To understand ERP, we must first understand how a business works. Let's begin by looking at business areas of operation. Okay, so these business areas of operations called functional areas of operations. Functional areas of operations are broad categories of business activities. Okay, so what are the functional areas of operations we are having? Okay, functional areas of operation. Most companies have four main functional areas. Okay, most companies have four main functional areas of operations. What are that four functional areas of operations? First one is marketing and sales. Marketing and sales. Second one, supply chain management. Third one, accounting and finance. And fourth one, human resources. So these are the four functional areas. Are must for any company. That is, the most of the companies have these four functional areas, without which these functional areas, the frame or the company will not function. Okay, so we need the support of these four functional areas, so that we are saying it is an functional areas. Okay, once again I will repeat what are the four functional areas. First one is marketing and sales, second one is supply chain management, third one is accounting and finance, and fourth one is human resources. Each area comprises a variety of narrower business functions. Which are activities specific to that functional area of operation. Please note down which are the activities specific to that functional area of operation. For example, the business functions of each area are, for some companies, are shown in the following figure. Okay, so here I am going to give a figure. Okay, you have to note down this figure. You please note down this figure in your notebook. Okay, so that I will explain this figure briefly. Okay, for your better understanding. Okay, so please, I request you all, please kindly note down this figure. Okay, guys, I request you all, please kindly note down this figure. Okay, so the figure shows the example of functional areas of operation and their business functions. The figure shows the functional areas of operation and their business functions. Okay. So here, what are the functional areas of operations we are having, and what are their business functions? What are their business functions? This figure shows. Okay. So here, kindly note on that in functional areas of operation, already told you that each company, so every company has 4 functional areas. So that 4 functional areas are listed in this figure. What are the 4 functional areas? Marketing and sales, supply chain management, accounting and finance, and human resources. Okay. Based upon these 4 functional areas, what are their business functions? What are their business functions? That has been listed. Okay. So here, after seeing this figure, you can easily understand that what is business process. Okay. So the business process which can have input from all these 4 functional areas, okay, and will take input from these functional areas and it process, and finally it gives the output. Okay. Whereas in business function, okay, so what is the business function? The business function, it will take input from any one functional area, and according to that it will process and give the output. Okay. So this figure clearly says what is business process and business function. Okay. Come to the table. So in this table, functional areas of operation, marketing and sales, supply chain management, accounting and finance, and human resources, that has been given. Okay. So each functional area of operation, you take that marketing and sales first. Okay. So the marketing and sales functional area. So what are the business functions of marketing and sales functional area? What are the business functions of marketing and sales functional area? Okay. You don't confuse with these 2 words. Functional areas are given in the top of the table. That is marketing and sales, supply chain management, accounting and finance, and human resources. Okay. And their business functions are given. Here. What are the functions we are having? Business functions we are having in each functional area, like marketing and sales, supply chain management, accounting and finance, and human resources. Okay. So here, kindly note down what are the business functions we are having in marketing and sales. Okay. So the marketing and sales functional area has their business functions, like marketing of a product, taking sales orders, and customer support. Obviously, the marketing and sales functional area is responsible for customer support. Likewise, each and every marketing and sales functional area, the marketing and sales representatives are whole and sole responsible to have CRM, that is customer relationship management. They will build a customer relationship management. Okay. Likewise, marketing and sales functional area will give the sales forecasting. Okay. So what is sales forecasting? Forecasting means it is the analysis. Previous analysis of the business. Okay. So what the business had carried out in previous. Okay. So based upon that report, they will prepare the future. They will give information what to prepare in future. Okay. That is said to be as an sales forecasting. Okay. And finally, marketing and sales, we know that marketing people will do advertising also. Okay. So these are all the business functions of marketing and sales functional area. Okay. So likewise, supply chain management. So what are the functional areas of what are the business functions of supply chain management? Okay. Purchasing goods and raw materials. Receiving goods and raw materials. Purchasing goods and raw materials also the duty of supply chain management functional area, as well as receiving goods and raw materials. Likewise, transportation and logistics, and scheduling production runs, manufacturing goods, plant maintenance. Okay. So these are the activities, or we may call as business functions of supply chain management functional area. Okay. Then what are the business functions of accounting and finance functional area? So it has some limited functional business functions. Okay, what are that business functions? We have accounting and finance functional area. Okay, so financial accounting of payments from customers and to suppliers. Financial accounting of payments from customers and to suppliers. Okay, so this is a business function of accounting and finance functional area. Likewise, cost allocation and control. So what is the cost to be allocated for the company, for the business? Okay, and how to control cash flow. Okay, planning and budgeting. Okay, so planning and budgeting is also comes under the business functions of accounting and finance. Okay, cash flow management. Okay, so they are managing the cash flow. They are managing the accounting and finance are responsible to manage cash flow management. Okay, then what is the business functions? What are the business functions of human resources functional area? The human resources functional area is responsible to recruiting and hiring. Okay, so they are offering jobs based upon the needs of the human resources. Okay, likewise, after hiring the persons for job, for they will provide necessary training also. This is also a business function of human resource functional area. Likewise, they are responsible to prepare payroll, and if the benefits, if the employees need benefits, what are the benefits to be given to the employees, and from that benefits how the company is going to be grow. Okay, so that also dealt with human resource functional area. Likewise, government compliances. Okay, so the legal the private and legal issues which can be dealt with the government authorities is the business function of human resource functional area. Okay, so this is a small table which can easily says that how a functional areas of operations and their business functions can be work. Okay, so any company, any frame, okay, which has the four functional areas. Okay, if any company, if we are going to start a new frame, then if we work according to that, then also if we have to formulate these four functional areas, and if we have these four functional areas, according to these four functional areas, how our business is going to work means the same business functions we have to carry it out. Okay, you got it? Okay, for better understanding, please you note down this table in your class notebook and you read once again. Okay, if you have any queries, please let me inform. Okay, I will explain once again. Okay, okay guys, today I will complete with this chapter with these few words. We will discuss more in the next class. Thank you guys. Thank you.